Okay, I've taken a little bit out in here so our string doesn't catch on the side, so it'll come up a lot smoother. So now what we're going to do is figure out the mouth, where we have to cut that off at, because you don't want the mouth to come over top where your string is. So we're going to set the mouth in here where it goes, and you see it's over top that, so that we have to cut some of that out. So we're going to make a mark up here. That's going to be for our eye bolt to go in there. So we're going to cut about a ½ inch or so off of the mouth here. Should do it. So we'll cut this off. Do it that way. So we'll cut that off there. See how this goes. So that's where I want it, on the other side of where my hole is here. So I'm sanding this down a little bit, then we'll be ready for the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.